Only person me fear are just goddamn cops. We don't want to see no one come.
Sparta has once again been named a person of interest by the police. The Gothic dancehall artist is being asked to report to the Freeport police station in St. James by midday Tuesday, July 7th. It's understood that the cops want to question the 32-year-old DJ whose given name is Leroy Russell Jr. about an upsurge of violence in Flanker St. James. Tamili was listed a person of interest back in June 2016 by the Kingston Eastern Police in relation to a shooting incident in January 27. He was declared to be wanted for questioning by the St. James Police Division in relation to some incident in Flanker in the parish. Tamili Sparta denies any wrongdoing. Welcome again, viewers and subscribers. I don't know what it's about the artist. It come like the police them love have him as a person of interest. Because this is not the first time, this is the second time, you know. And if you continue this way, you soon not gonna have no career. I don't know if you're involved in anything, but the police them look like they get their source from some way. So they say he need to turn himself in Tuesday, July 7th. So you know, say I have to do that because if you turn himself in so they can question him, I got more problem in. And through my artist, he can't afford that. You understand, people? And then again, it don't look good again to see the police them have you as a person of interest every minute. So it's like a target they pan for your back. So I don't really know if you do wrong situation, but if you do something, you need to stop it. Because you have a family to feed and you have a music career to deal with. I don't know if you don't understand what I say. You understand? Well, anyway, still let us just how me feel about the whole situation. Until next time. Welcome again, people. Remember to leave a comment below and share and like the video and subscribe for more great content. And remember to check out one of our suggested videos on the screen. Until next time, peace.